Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kellman, and I am here teaching you everything that I know about modern jazz piano. And speaking of which, today we are going to be going through some more of my favorite modern jazz piano licks. So not long ago, I actually released an awesome set of PDFs called 20 Sick Modern Jazz Piano Licks. As usual, my names are extremely creative, I know. But yeah, so today I want to just show you some more of my favorite exercises from that compilation. So these really focus in on expanding your modern right-hand piano vocabulary, although there are also some great left-hand voicings and chord progressions incorporated as well. So what makes a lick modern? Well, we've talked about it a bit on this channel, but we're going to be using more intervallic structures as opposed to chromatic. We're also going to be using a concept that I like to call dissonance formulas. So what a dissonance formula is just kind of a term that I think I invented, although I always hesitate to say that, but a term that I like to use to describe essentially just a formulaic way of playing out. So one example might just be, for example, we're going to play a Dorian scale a half step above a major 7 chord. And so that would be our dissonance formula, right? Dorian, half step above. And so I just really like to break things down into small building blocks so that we can memorize them, understand them, integrate them as best as we possibly can. So these licks today are exercises that are specifically designed to help you incorporate those dissonance formulas as well as build the stylistic skill of improvising with longer, more intervallic lines and throwing these dissonances in a way that makes sense. So that means rather than just playing out, so to speak, we're also resolving well. So anyway, that is enough talk. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting subscribe and hitting the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos like this. And of course, if you do end up enjoying the video, please try to remember to hit that like button. I really, really appreciate it. Also, super quick reminder, I know these licks are going by fast, but the great thing about YouTube is you can go into the bottom right of the video, click the little settings icon, and actually slow these down. So I highly recommend you do that. Try even playing along with them. And one thing I would also recommend is that you actually try to even sing along with them. See if you can get these in your ear before you even play them. It can be a little tedious, but it's really great and gonna really help you move forward. All right, I'll stop talking your ears off, and now we can just dive into these licks. So super quick aside, if you did actually want to check out these licks in all keys in PDF form to really, dive in and add them to your playing, you can actually find both PDFs at jazzpianoconcepts.com/store or also the Modern Licks bundle, which will give you both at the best possible price. I seriously, seriously appreciate every single sale as it helps me, keep afloat and keep making videos just like this for all of you. And yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the exercises. So let's get right back to them. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot out of those exercises. And I also just want to mention really quickly that if you're someone who wants to really take your playing to the next level, but you like to work with someone more one-on-one, I've got some really cool options available. And right now, myself and my team of awesome trained coaches are taking totally free calls just to help you figure out what would be the best next steps for you to improve your playing. So if you're interested in that, feel free to just click the link down in the description of this video and get a free call set up with one of us. Also, if you enjoyed these exercises, please consider clicking the like button to help me move this video up in the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, consider clicking subscribe and also hitting the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. All right, thank you so much for watching. Seriously appreciate your support and subscribership, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.